trial results that could revolutionize the treatment of cardiovascular disease, heart failure, and more. Plus, what's everyone looking for? An AHA scavenger hunt has attendees on the move. All this and more coming up next on AHA TV. Welcome to Scientific Sessions 2022. I'm your host, Trey Johnson. The latest discoveries, the biggest breakthroughs, and the brightest minds in cardiovascular and brain health science, all in one place this week. We go now to Yasmin Hassan, who joins us in the midst of it all in Chicago.
Trey, the buzz here at McCormick Place is off the charts. The brightest scientific minds are all here for Scientific Sessions 2022. For the premier global exchange of the latest scientific advancements, research, and evidence-based clinical practice updates in cardiovascular science for healthcare professionals worldwide. In the opening session, a discussion focusing on public health around the world among a distinguished panel of experts. These panelists included Dr. Jerome Adams, Regina M. Benjamin, and Fausto J. Pinto.
The session was very dynamic. I really love the FDA commissioner and all the other officers of the AHA, as well as the Surgeon Generals. What a great discussions about global health.
Beautiful, wonderful presentation, very interesting to open up this experience, and it's been a very amazing presentation to attend to.
One of the many sessions taking place in the Health Innovation Pavilion this week, a panel of experts tackled the use of novel biometrics and digital therapeutics and how they're used in cardiovascular prevention and rehabilitation.
My hope is that during this session we can inspire people to really engage with their patients and help them to connect and use healthcare applications, technologies like wearables, like smartwatches, in a way that's meaningful, useful, and helps improve their heart health life.
Into the Science and Technology Hall, cutting-edge advancements in treatments of cardiovascular diseases throughout the world. Exhibitors showed off the latest in pharmaceuticals, medical devices, research products, and more. There's no better place to make connections and stay up to date on what's new in this field.
Having AHA provides a platform for us to all come together and bring together new ideas and new ways of approaching pediatric cardiology.
A chance for attendees to put their knowledge of cardiovascular health to the test in a series of competitions in the Heart Theater. This is Cardio Oncology Jeopardy! The competitions continue into the afternoon with the Health Tech competition, where innovators present new technology focused on health impact and sustainability. Stay tuned to AHA TV, where we'll announce and speak to the winners of this year's competition. This week is the first time AHA is bringing the global community back together since 2019. It's an opportunity to make brand new connections through a brain date. Whether it's in person in the Heart Hub or virtually, brain dates allow attendees to have detailed one-on-one or group conversations to discuss different topics or work to solve problems in the industry.
Once they actually get to meet someone, they're like, oh my God, I would never have met them. Great way, a space is curated. We have everything around trying to network has been eased up for them to be able to just concentrate. And once they do that, they're like, I need to do this all day.
The return of scientific sessions means the return of late-breaking science. The most anticipated clinical trial breakthrough and discoveries are on display this week right here in Chicago. This session focused on heart failure, presenting innovations in gene editing therapy, and how to treat long-term iron deficiency and improve patient outcomes. One brave idea was a research initiative launched by the American Heart Association and Verily, seeking to challenge the way research was traditionally done through unconventional scientific approaches. Dr. Callum McRae led the session and discussed what they've accomplished through this approach and what they've learned, while taking a different look at treating and preventing cardiovascular disease. And throughout the week, don't forget to participate in the Wellness Challenge sponsored by Novo Nordisk and the AHA Scavenger Hunt. Join us later this week when we highlight the winners right here on AHA TV. Be sure to come by the AHA TV studio as well, all throughout Scientific Sessions 2022, located right next to the Science and Technology Hall. We'll be chatting with experts in the cardiovascular health field all week long and breaking down all the incredible science right here in the Windy City. Just a little taste of what's still to come this week in Chicago. We have more learning, more networking. It's all on the horizon at this year's scientific sessions. But for now, I'll send it back into the studio to you, Trey.
Yasmin, thank you so much for those updates. It sounds like it was an amazing day one. I cannot wait to hear more throughout the next few days, so we'll be checking in with you soon. Now you be sure to follow us on social media for the latest updates from this week's conference with some of the highlights of the excitement here in the Windy City. I'm your host, Trey Johnson. Thank you so much for watching AHA TV.